Stick around to see how we made this really cool jellyfish sun catcher craft in about 10 minutes and using only 3 different materials. So quick and so easy, you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Cheryl, the activity author, and I am so glad you guys are joining me for another week of National Craft Month, where we give you a new craft every single day. Now, before we start this craft, just make sure y'all know that all the materials are in the description box below, so definitely check that out. All right, so now we're going to start by cutting out our jellyfish, and we're going to make it a nice size. Mine was about the size of a head, I would say. So just cut out a nice big jellyfish, and now you want to go ahead and cut the inside out because that is where we're going to be applying the color. Okay, so now that your jellyfish is cut out, what you're going to do now is you're going to cut out a square or rectangle size that's going to cover your entire jellyfish, because what we're going to do is we're going to stick the jellyfish on the contact paper, and then your child will be able to decorate the center of the jellyfish using the contact paper. So make sure it's big enough to surround your jellyfish. All right, so last step we're going to do before we get to decorating is we're going to cut the excess contact paper around the jellyfish. However, on the bottom of your jellyfish, whichever you determine to make your bottom, leave about 1 inch of contact paper because we're going to decorate that bottom as well, and you'll see why in a second. So leave about 1 inch of contact paper on there, just like this. You see how mine is? Perfect. Okay, so now that we've made our jellyfish, we are going to cut out some tissue paper, or I'm using some party streamer paper right now. Anything that's thin and light that you want to decorate the center of your jellyfish with, please go ahead and do so. I will also make sure to put all the other possibilities in the description box below, so make sure y'all check that out. And just cut out a bunch of little strips of it, you know? Size does matter, so you can do a variety of sizes. I would say some big pieces, some little pieces, and then you're gonna have your child start sticking the tissue paper in the center of the jellyfish. So now I know you guys are loving this video, so here's how you can support me. Go ahead and click that like button for me to show me that you love this video and other people that you love this video. Then slide on to the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you guys know every time that I post. And you know I'm posting a different video every day, so you gotta subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post. So now that your jellyfish is all decorated in the inside, we're going to grab some balloon curly string, or if you want some yarn or anything that you guys want to hang off the end of your jellyfish to show the illusion of the tentacles, that is what we're going to use. So I use a balloon curly string, but you guys can use whatever you have around the house. And then you're going to tack it to the or stick it to the contact paper that you left on the bottom of the jellyfish. That is why I did not want y'all to cut that off. So we're using that as a glue adhesive, and we are adding some curly string, yarn, whatever you guys have, use it. It all works. Hey, you can even use some of that streamer paper if you have any of that left. That'll be really cute as well. And the final step to our project, we just added some googly eyes, because why not? And we always have googly eyes lying around in our craft box. So there it is. So the last thing you want to do is hang this bad boy on your door, window, wherever, because that is the point of a sun catcher, to catch the sun. So go ahead and hang that thing up. Look at that. Ooh, sparkling, shining, shining, shining. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So we are good to go today. And I appreciate you guys coming back to check on my crafts every day, leaving likes and comments. You guys rock. You're my army. I love you. Love you. So before you guys go, click that card up top so you can see all of my other sun catcher crafts. I have tons of them on here, and I will catch you tomorrow. Bye, guys.